Cartolite Me specifically has nuns on it. More than nuns. It's nuns invoking this myth of the female god energy. It's really about a relationship. And she's kind of given herself away, so she's trying to get pieces back any way she can. I mean, whoever works at that point, and if it's Inanna or whoever, and if it works calling her in the church to evoke a little ass, then you go for it.
Okay, here we go.